Frankie.
And
Frankie.
you're sitting up there trying to get the ball.
Come here,
Look.
show me what you have. Frankie, come here. You can do it again.
Yep.
Are you videoing?
Come on, Frankie. Frankie.
Hey, what's this? Frankie.
Most of the time, I'm just trying to get it on.
What's this? No. Come here.
Hey,
What's this? Show me. No. Come here. Leave it there. Oh, thank you. You're going to trip. No, we don't want to open that. That's, come here. Show me what you have. Come here. It's so cute. Look what you did. Look. What did we do? Come here. Let's pick it up. What did we find? What's this? Should we bring it back? Let's take it back to the bathroom.
That ball into an area, into a left or right area. It's like trying to hit. How do you get the ball in the fairway? Well, the fairway has a left point, right.
Let's keep trying to step on it.
The same thing.
Uh-oh. Don't trip. Don't trip. We could save it.
Widen your aim.